There are various studying techniques, each catering to different learning styles. Let's dive deeper into each studying technique. Active recall. Instead of passively reviewing your notes, actively engage your memory by recalling information. This could involve self-quizzing, trying to explain a concept aloud without looking at your materials, or using flashcards where you recall the answers before flipping the card. Spacing and interleaving. Instead of cramming all your studying into one session, space it out over time. Interleaving involves mixing up different topics or subjects within a single study session. This technique helps reinforce learning and prevents forgetting. Mind mapping. Create visual diagrams connecting different concepts or ideas. Mind maps are excellent for visual learners as they organize information in a non-linear, easy-to-understand format. The Feynman technique. Simplify complex topics by teaching them to someone else as if you were explaining it to a beginner. This technique helps identify gaps in your understanding. Pomodoro Technique. Work in focused intervals, usually 25 minutes, followed by short breaks. This method can help maintain concentration and prevent burnout. SQ3R method. Survey, question, read, recite, review. This technique involves previewing the material, formulating questions, active reading, summarizing or reciting key points, and reviewing the material. Visualization. Create mental images or associations to help remember information. Visual learners often benefit from this technique by imagining diagrams or scenarios related to the material. Cornell Note-Taking System. Divide your notes into sections for main points, details, and summaries. It involves summarizing information in your own words and reviewing the notes regularly. Group study. Collaborate with peers to discuss and explain concepts. Teaching and learning from others can reinforce understanding and fill in gaps in knowledge. Practice testing. Regularly test yourself on the material using practice questions, quizzes, or past exams. This technique aids in both assessment and memory retention. Chunking. Break down complex information into smaller, manageable chunks. This method helps in better understanding and easier memorization. Remember, it's essential to experiment and find the techniques that work best for your learning style. A combination of these methods might suit you better than relying on just one.